Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS2 in the color Cool Gray. Alright, let's take our scissors. Let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second, but first, let's just take a look at the product here. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Okay, and then we'll remove the plate for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingertips and just push forward with your palm. Plate comes off nice and easy, just like that. Okay. At the side here are your screw holes. That's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Okay. Also, these plates are interchangeable, so if you want to change the color or you just get bored of the color that you have, you can change the plates. Just make sure you buy the corresponding plate. So the SS2, you'll want to buy an SS2, etc. Okay. Flipping it on over, you'll notice at the top here that it has the British Standard, or BS for short, so you can have peace of mind buying this product. Also on the back, you'll notice that there's 3 terminal hole screws on the back there. So this is a two-way light switch, so you can control your light from 2 separate locations with this one. The modules are also interchangeable, so if you find out later you need an intermediate, because you need to control it from 3 separate locations, you can pop this one out, pop a new one in, or the intermediate in, sorry, and then wire it up and you're good to go. All right, let's take our plate, let's put it back on, just like that. Okay, and then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. Okay, on the one side you have a whole bunch of different social media platforms, so if you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, that'd be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. And finally, in the bottom right-hand corner, you have a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. Okay, and finally, just take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay. On the back, on the bottom is our SKU code here, the ART-SS2 for the two-way and CG for the color Cool Gray. On the center here is our barcode, and in the top left-hand corner is another Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of products there. And finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here. So you know this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.